Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are cooking with me. So if you're looking for an easy recipe or fun meal to do in maybe 30 minutes max, keep watching because this right here will change your whole entire life. So I got this recipe off TikTok taught me, and I just had to try it. So what you're going to start out by doing is grabbing the items that you see listed in the video. And then you're going to start with your pizza crust. So I went and got the pizza crust that was already pre-made because I did not have time to be making dough. It didn't seem hard in the video. I just didn't have that type of time. So if you feeling your Betty Crocker or whatever, do you, boo? I wasn't feeling it. Once you get it open, use a rectangular pan and spread it all out on the pan. Once you get it spread out how you want it, then you're going to take your pizza cutter and you're going to cut little slits, maybe like 1/4, not all the way through, on each side. You could choose not to do it that way. You could just fold it over, but I felt like cutting it made it real fancy, and I was here for the fanciness. Once we've cut our slits in, then we're going to load it down with our cheese. Now, you can choose any cheese that you like, but I did decide to look on Pinterest to see what cheese was the best to melt because they made it seem like the cheese was going to be hard to melt. So we chose mozzarella. Once you're done getting the cheese, as much cheese as you would like, then you will add your toppings. We decided to add pepperoni in this video. However, when I did make it for my husband, we did add pepperoni, bacon, and ham. And he was loving it. Now, once you get the toppings how you want, those little slits that we cut, what you're going to do is you're going to take one side of it and lay it across the cheese and the pepperoni and do the other side the exact same way. I don't know if I'm explaining that well, but pretty much you're going to be like crisscrossing it. So it should be looking like a crisscross or like a braid when you're done. Once you get all the way to the end, then that's when we're going to make our delicious garlic butter glaze ordeal. And all you need is butter. I have no idea how much. I just cut 2 big chunks and called it a day. And I may be ahead of the video. My bad, y'all. I was excited. So I'm going to slow down. All right, now we're going to make our garlic butter little glaze or whatever. So I don't know how much butter I used. I just cut 2 like squares, melt it down in the microwave. Then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon. I don't know. Look at the video, whatever spoon I was using, of Italian seasoning, and then a smaller teaspoon that you'll see in there of garlic because you don't want that thing to be too salty, and mix it up. Then you take your little brush like you use, like if you grilling and you putting that barbecue sauce on them ribs, and you gonna smear that, paint that all over the dough. Once you get it how you want it, you're gonna pop that bad baby in the oven on 425. I hope you already got it preheated, and let it cook for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is done, then you enjoy and get your little pizza sauce, dip it in, cut it up if you like, or just cut it in half. I cut ours into smaller pieces to make it even more fun, and get your dip on, and it's lit. I hope you were able to learn something from this because I sure did from TikTok. Shout out to TikTok. And we're going to do more quick cooking videos because we all know that during the week, cooking a big whole meal sometimes don't be in the cards. But this right here was clutch. It took 30 minutes max. So I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know if you tried it. Let me know what toppings you tried. And I will check you guys next time.